Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by narrowing options. Pick 2-3 dart weights and a couple of barrel shapes to test. Hold the dart lightly at first. You want control without tension. Once done, place the thumb opposite the main gripping fingers and let the barrel rest where it feels balanced in your hand. Make sure to test both a 2-finger and 3-finger pinch over a few throws, observing comfort, alignment, and follow-through so you can compare feel and consistency. Now refine placement by moving your fingers along the barrel in small increments, about 1/4 to 1/2 the barrel length, to change balance and release. Try fingertip contact and then pad contact to feel how release timing and spin differ. Once done, throw 6 to 12 darts with each variation while noting grouping and whether the dart points align with your sight line. Make sure to keep the rest of your arm movement identical, so differences. You finish by choosing the grip that produces the tightest groups and feels repeatable under slight fatigue. Then practice 30 to 50 consistent throws focusing on identical hand placement and release. This builds muscle memory. If problems appear, wobble, inconsistent flight, or misses, inspect finger pressure first, then move contact point slightly, and finally verify dart-to-eye alignment. If things still go wrong, reduce tension and return to the lighter hold for a session to reset your feel and timing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.